Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all fine. Today I'm explaining Mathematics chapter 7 cube and cube roots for class 8. So let's go into the channel. In this first exercise, the first question, which of the following numbers are not perfect cube? So just what they are not perfect cube. So first bit 216. First we need to find the factors. Prime factors of 216, just we need to write this one. Here all factors are in group of 3. How we will find all factors are in group of 3? They are 3 times of 2's and 3 times of 3. So that's why 216 is a perfect cube number. Second bit 128. You need to find the factors and the prime factor of 128 is this. So here 1 factor 2 does not appear in 3. Here all factors. So all are 3's. There are 2 3's and 3 3's. But here they are not in 3's group. That's why 128 is not a perfect cube. That's why what they asked in not perfect in the question, not perfect cube. So 128 is not a perfect cube. 1000, you need to find the factors. The prime factors of 1000 you need to write. They are in 3's. 2 3 times and 3 3 times. They are in 3's group. So 1000 is a perfect cube. Fourth bit 100. 100 is not a perfect cube because there does not appear in 3's group because there are only 2 2's and 5 5's. 5 2's say. 2 2's and 5 2's. So that's why that does not appear in 3's group. Fifth bit. Just you need to find the factors and we need to write. So they are in 3's group. That's why 46,656 is a perfect cube. Second question, find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. In this first bit 243. First you need to find the factors, prime factors of 243. Here 3 does not appear in 3's group. 3 does not appear because they are in even. 1 2 3 4 5 in odd itself, but there are only 3's and another 3's are not in 3's group. That's why 243 must be multiplied by 3. Second bit 256. Just we need to find the factors, prime factors of 256. 2 is required to make 3's group. That's why 256 should be multiplied by 2. Third bit is 72. Just you need to find the factors. So prime factor of 72 is 2's and 3's. But in this 2's appears in 3's group, but 3's does not appear in 3's group. That's why 3 should be multiplied by 72. 675. First you need to find the factors, the prime factors of 675. In this 3's appears in 3's group, but 5 does not appear in 3's group because there are 3 times, but 5 is in 2 times. That's why 5 should be multiplied by 675. Fifth bit 100. First you need to find the factors. Find factors of 100 you need to write. Here 2 does not appear in 3's group and 5 does not appear in 3's group. That's why 2 and 5 is 10. So 10 should be multiplied by 100. We will get a perfect cube. Third question, find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. But in second question what they given? Number must be multiplied. In second question they asked to be multiplied to get a perfect cube. But here they are asking dividend to get a perfect cube. In this first bit 81. Just find the factors. Here 3 does not group in triplet. So that's why 3 should be divided by 81. 81 must be divided by 3. Second bit 128. Just you need to find the factors. You need to write. But 2 does not appear in 3's group. That's why 128 must be divided by 2. Third bit 135. Just you need to find the factors. You need to write. Here 3 appears in 3's group, but 5 does not appear. So that's why 135 must be divided by 5. Because there are 3 times of 3, but 5 is only 1 time. That's why you need to take 5 here. Fourth bit 192. Just you need to take the factors. You need to write. In this 2 appears in triplet, but 3 does not appear. How is 2 appears means these are 3 times, these are 3 times, but 3 does not appear. That's why you need to do 192 divided by 3. Fifth one 704. You need to find the factors. Find factors of you need to write. Here 11 does not appear in 3's group, but 2 is appears in 3's group. That's why 704 must be divided by 11. Fourth question. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticized of sides 5 centimeters, 2 centimeters and 5 centimeters. How many such cuboids will be needed to form a cube? Given numbers 5 into 2 into 5. So factors of 5 and 2 both are not in the group of 3. The number should be multiplied. 2 into 2 into 5 is equals to 20. There are 20 cuboids. Exercise 7.2. Find the cube roots of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So in this first bit 64. Just you need to find the factors. You need to find cube root. How we will get a cube root? So just you check it. Cube root means 2 cube whole power 1 by 3 into 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 will cancel. So 2 into 2. Just we will get an answer like this. Second bit also same. Once check it. Third bit also same. Once check it. Second question. State true or false. First bit. Cube of any odd number is even. Since 1 cube is equals to odd. Only odd. That's why false. A perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. So true. Check it example. If squares of a number ends with 5, then it's a cube ends with 25. False. There is no perfect cube which ends with 8. So it is false. They asked no perfect cube, but the perfect cube ends with 8 only. That's why it is false. Fifth bit. The cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. False. The cube of a 2-digit number may have 7 or more digits. So it is false because only 6-digit number we will get. The cube of a single-digit number may be a single-digit number. True, because 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. So it is true. Third question. You are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube roots? Similarly, guess the cube root of 4. They asked to guess the cube root. We know that 10 cube is 1000 and possible cubes of 11 cube is 1331. So that is cube of unit digit in 1 cube is equals to 1. So cube root of this one. They asked first division 4913. We know that like a 7 cube 343. Just you need to, the next number comes with 7 as unit place, so 1 you need to add 1, so that's why 17 cube is 4913. Similarly, the second bit is 12167. We know that 3 cube is 27 and we should add next number to get one digit, so 13 cube, and another is 23 cube. The 23 cube is 12167. The third bit is 32,768. We know that 2 cube is 8, so we need to add next number 12 cube and again next number 22 cube, again next number 32 cube. So we will get an answer of 32,768. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you are new to this video, please like, share and comment. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and hit on the bell icon. Bye friends.